Okay, we're going to go over now how to create a Photoshop file of the image template with canvas set to size specifications. So at the top of your bar, you can't see it with this tutorial, but you're going to click onto your Photoshop. You'll see Photoshop CC and then File. You want to click File and then New. What you'll see here now are your specifications. So this is where you change your images. We operate in pixels in website land, so you will not operate as far as pixels for your image editing. So let's say, for instance, that the image template that we have, we want to set it to 1000 wide by, let's say, 300. Okay, let's call this image template. And you click create, and there's my image template. So now any image that I put into this section will have these dimensions to it. When I want to click file, then save as. Save this image to whatever title you'd like.